ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Halor ke jing ang nod ban Ïaid Beit syakmat ia ke Jingïakren Pynbeit put hapdeng ke jela Meghalaya bat ke jela Assam. Menteri ramba ke jela Konrad ke sang mau lapan pau ba wat Lada kimpat tip ba Lano on Pynbna ia ke tarik ban penlong ia ke election. Nraikin Ïaid Beit syakmat ia ke Jingïakren Pynbeit put. Habaya keren bagilat patai kubor Konrad lapan tip ba dang hakini ke kindiat sengi ulaya kendo. Yang menteri ramba jongka Assam Himanta Biswa Sharma bat ulayo ru kalat ban keren halor kini kamat.
So we don't know when the elections will be announced, so it's difficult to say when and where that will be. But our talks will continue as per our pace. Of course, if elections are announced, then it will become a bit of an inconvenience for everybody. But we will continue our process. As I said, I had a meeting with Honorable CM Assam at an unofficial level. We had breakfast together this last week in Guwahati, and we discussed about these matters. As you're aware that these kind of discussions need to be taken place at official level. A lot takes place at unofficial level. There are times when him and myself have to sit down and really thrash out the issues. So process is continuous, and the formal meetings, of course, are the formal part of it. But in these kind of talks, there's a lot of informal discussions that need to be put into, a lot of discussions that take place without formal meetings. So all those processes are continuing. Yet gone into details. We have had discussions about it, and we are supposed to have a discussion with different stakeholders. So we have yet to take a call on that, on the date. But definitely we will re-examine the whole thing and find out the best way in which we are able to come out with provisions, achieve the goals, and yet be in conformity with national laws and constitutional provisions.